This is the Britzgo digital hearing amplifier. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual and some more documentation. Here are the hearing amplifiers. This is in a double pack because you have two ears. They do sell it, however, in a single pack if you only have trouble hearing in one ear like that, so you can do that. Two charging cables, they're exactly the same. These are USB to micro USB, not USB-C. So these cables will fit that. If you have an old cell phone that took the micro USB, it's the same type plug right there, like that. And in these little packages here, they're both the same. What you get is a cleaning brush right here, as well as different size silicone ear tips as such. So this is a hearing amplifier, colloquially known as a hearing aid, but they can't really be classified as that. These are over the counter. You could just buy them as such. You don't need a prescription for them. As such, they're not going to be the kind that a doctor can prescribe to you. However, they are very easy to use, especially for older folks that hopefully haven't lost too much of their hearing, but just need kind of a boost, if you will. They have a 40-hour battery and recharge in 2 hours. They have simple, easy-to-use controls. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Replaceable ear tips, as I showed you right there. They weigh only 7 grams. That's about a quarter of an ounce. And they also have noise cancellation built in. So here is the hearing amplifier closer up, and these are the only controls that you have on here. There's a simple switch here with 2 positions, I'll explain in a second, and a real mechanical volume control. That's it. It goes to the end, it stops. Run it all the way down, it stops. So even elderly people who are technophobes, if you will have no trouble with this. You simply turn it on to the position that you need and then run the volume up or down. It's that easy. Okay, and these hook over the ear, as you see, like that, kind of like a pair of glasses, and that's it. Now, your switch here has 2 positions. All the way down is the off position, and then you have L and H. L is for low noise environments. It's going to be for watching TV, watching videos on the computer, stuff like that, teleconferencing, anything of that nature. H is going to be for high noise environments. And then, of course, you just adjust the volume right there. That's all there is to it. There's no app, there's no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, nothing needed. These do not connect to your phone. There's nothing to do. They're standalone units just like this. So I just wanted to show you, this is what it looks like on. Goes around the back of your ear like that. This side as well. Okay, you put them on, flip the switch on, turn the volume up. That's all there is to it. Let's go over to my easy chair. We'll talk about it. So I've had these on for, about 10 minutes by now. And I first clicked them on, and I was smart. I put the volume all the way down. There is a little bit of noise, but I couldn't hear anything around me. But like I said, the volume was all the way down. I turned that up slightly, not even halfway, and I spoke, and wow. I was duly impressed. They are on right now at that same volume there, and that was on the L setting, and I find that is definitely suitable for most applications and circumstances. They really, I'm afraid to put them all the way up. We'll put it that way. I'm afraid to turn that volume all the way up. I don't really have hearing loss per se. So at least I still have that going for me, but everything else is failing. So, but they really enhance that. My mother, on the other hand, does have hearing problems, and I will definitely bring these over to her in the future and see if it's something that she could certainly use. On the H setting, you definitely do get more background noise cancellation. Um, what I'm hearing right now is sort of dead air. There's a little just noise around, just things running. The heat is running. It's cold. It's freezing out. Uh, so there are certain sounds that I'm certainly hearing, and I've noticed how it really brightens up the things that I do hear on a regular basis, but don't pay any mind to. Now that they're amplified, it really is something to notice. I can hear my footsteps. Normally, you pay no mind to that. You walk around, you do your thing, and that's it. But now, as I'm walking around, I hear that. So it really amplifies the sound, kind of like a magnifying glass will magnify something you're looking at. You can really see a lot more detail in a lot of things with a magnifying glass alone. Forget even higher powered magnification. And that's kind of what this is. These are magnifiers for your ears. It really did boost the sound. I was very impressed by that. Now, are these of the same type that a doctor can prescribe? No, obviously not. They do go over the ear so they can be seen, but you know what? I mean, who cares? Really, who cares? Okay, if you ever had to get glasses at one point in your life, you might go into the office and they say, "Oh, there's something different about you." "Oh, you got glasses." "Oh, I don't know. You look so different with them." But then after a week or so, nobody says anything. So who cares? If you do see them, and they do hide pretty well. I really can't complain about that at all. But I'm really impressed with how well they actually work, especially for the price. It definitely does boost the sound incredibly. And like I said, I didn't even turn these up, not even to halfway, and it really enhanced. So they really could be good for people with mild to even moderate hearing loss. So definitely all around work well. The noise cancellation might be great in something like a noisy restaurant or something of that nature, a show maybe. The clarity of the sound is, for the most part, what I hear in real life. Some of the higher end frequencies, I'm not quite getting through them, but it's not muted or muffled in any way. They really are working quite well, and I'm quite impressed with them for what you might pay for them. Once again, this is the Britzgo hearing amplifiers. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.